Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I don't know what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, this was sent to me by Jacob. Thank you so much, Jacob. Let's find out what we've got going on in here. If it's available, I will link it right down in the description. Okay, and we have a note, and there's the thing right there. What do we have here? Oh, it is not available. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you so much, Jacob. Yeah, this is gonna be, I'm so excited. What do we have? Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh God, that is beautiful. So this is the G&G Hawk Deadlock Model C, the newest version of the Deadlock. Oh my gosh, if that is just so unbelievably beautiful. That is just ridiculous. Check this out. The inlay work raised slightly off the frame. CPM 20 CV has that cool pocket clip. Very nice. Some titanium in there. Oh, man, that is just gorgeous. So I also have, I wasn't expecting to see this, but I don't have it handy. Anyways, when we do that, oh, you know what? Wait, is it right here? I don't think that's it. Over here, sorted and probably tucked away. I know that it's actually, now I know what the container, yeah, it's right here. Sorry. I have a system over here to the right, and sometimes I lose track of my own system. I also have the Hawk Deadlock Model B, which you can see, well, it's not going to say right there. Yeah, so there's an evolution taking place here. Very interesting to see, you know, the blade is pretty similar. This one has more of a like stone-washed finish. I imagine there are different finishes. And then this one appears to be bead blasted. There's definitely an evolution going on here. And we will talk about it in the review. I have never handled the Model C before, and I don't have a complete understanding of all of the changes and upgrades from the Model B to the Model C. But this is an unboxing, and that's, you know, I go in blind so that I can just experience these things. You know, and just give first impressions. And first impressions right off the bat is, this is, of course, lighter. The action feels quite a bit snappier, and that's probably because the frame is lighter. The firing switch is just as easy, if not easier, to actuate, and that's probably because there's more of an aggressive taper when you're pulling back down, so it makes it slightly easier. How's the solidity on lockup? Completely and totally solid, just as you would expect. If you don't know, the Deadlocks are the only, and I know I always have people claiming, I know, yeah, your uncle's got a Benchmade Infidel that doesn't have any blade play. I don't believe you. I have handled so many OTFs. And I've handled OTFs that get real close in terms of like no blade play, right? I think really what's happening is just people unwilling to admit that their OTF actually does have blade play. There are some that are close, some Microtechs, right? The SOG OTF. These are the only ones I have ever felt, that actually have zero blade play. Absolutely bank vault lockup on these OTFs. Now, the downside is they are incredibly expensive and nearly impossible to get your hands on, right? So that's one of those things, right? So there will be a full comprehensive review of the Model C down the road, a couple of weeks, something like that. Really, really cool. Very, very excited to talk about this one. Thank you so much, Jacob. No, he did not donate this. This will go back to Jacob when I'm done, as is the case with most of the gear that I review on this channel. Please make sure to... Oh, wait, does he have Instagram? Yes, he does. He does. I'm so sorry. Let's make sure. You guys make sure and follow at JB_knife collector on Instagram. It's because of people like him that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. If you enjoyed this video, follow me too, by the way, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.